October is a month of awareness for multiple causes, one of those being National Disability Employment. It's a time used to highlight the contributions of people with disabilities to workplaces. Tonight, KPLC's Marcella Quadra brings us the story of DeMarcus Thomas, an aspiring welder.
This is what a typical welding class at Sewela sounds like. For DeMarcus Thomas, the class sounds more like this.
So I was born November 5th. At 6 months, I became deaf.
His mother, Karen Thomas, says he's not let it defeat him.
He was always willing, trying to do everything. Even though he was deaf, that didn't stop him.
Now DeMarcus finds himself in his third semester of the welding program at Sewela.
We got organized with Student Services to have the interpreter set up, and on the first day of school we sat down with DeMarcus, the interpreters, and his mother, and we kind of hashed out how the program was going to go, how we were set up.
So in the beginning, the professors, Darbone and Devin, they would give me books so I could read through to make sure that I fully understand how to do the weld. That way I'm able to explain it better.
Art gap, good. Just keep them a little bit straighter.
So it's good as thick-wise?
It involved working as a team.
The team has just come along so good, and I'm happy about that because it makes him happy and it makes him want to come to school.
They help. They observe a lot of my work, and they tell me when I'm doing a good job. They get excited and they motivate me.
With an interpreter by his side, DeMarcus had this final message.
Deaf people and hearing people, they're the same. They're the exact same. They can accomplish anything they want.
At your service, Marcella Quadra, KPLC 7 News.
We did ask his mother what she hopes people get from this story, and she says she hopes people see that deaf people can do amazing things in life. She also says she hopes that parents realize they can push their children and be there for them. Chief Meteorologist Wade Hampton